Ela Credit. It's also called Ela Savings, Loan and Bills. So there are a lot of features inside this app as well that you can also benefit from. So you can also get an instant loan within 5 minutes. The app have over 1 million downloads. The overall rating is 3.2, and total reviews so far on this app is 35,100 thereabout. There are a lot of opportunities on this app as well, as they also have more things in common, just like the other apps we have talked about. So you can see manage your money on the go. You can pay bills, get card, loan, savings, insurance, and also get airtime from the app. They also keep the app up to date so that uh, all their customer will not be left out from their new features. You can also get a loan of up to 1 million naira from the app, and you can also see some other features where you can do bulk payment, get more done with our new bulk payment option. You can see everything right there. So Air Credit also have a lot of features which I believe you're gonna be interested in. So you can download Ella Credit from Google Play Store and Apple App Store to enjoy all their benefits. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see when the app was updated, which is January 30th, 2024. I think that's quite a long time, but then probably they are not having any issue on their app, because if there's any glitch, I believe they are going to update that. So if you scroll all the way down, going to be seeing the overall rating and how people drop their reviews. You can see 5-star rating is more than other reviews, other rating, and then followed by the 1-star rating. And if you scroll all the way down, you can also see some other features right there. So on the reviews. So this review was dropped on November 2023. And if you scroll down as well, you can see from Abiodun, which is 3-star rating, and see what the review talk about. And if you scroll all the way down again, you can see from Bosede Adegoke, which is 4-star rating, and this also makes sense. So this review have helped over 790 people. So with all this, I believe different people have different experience when they are trying to get things done. But that doesn't mean that if you are trying to use this app, you will also face the same issue. So you have to try it out and see if you will be able to get a loan from them. So these are the best recommendable loan app in Nigeria, which I believe you can try out, and let's know in the comment section which one actually worked best for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.